Hey there, it's Kenia and there's Kevin. We are in Philadelphia. We are at a place called Banh Mi and Bottles, and we are on a mission. We have about 30 days, Kevin, until we head to Vietnam, our big trip. And so we're gonna get some chopstick action going. Continue on our mission to to taste some Vietnam food, to kind of figure out what we like and what we don't like before we actually get to the country. You taste the lime. We've got like citrusy taste in there. We also got some mint in there too, right? Mint. Look at me. I'm getting the hang of it. Using my chopsticks.
So why is it called Banh Mi and Bottles?
I don't know why it's called Banh Mi and Bottles.
When she was looking at the place online, it said that the reason we're called Banh Mi and Bottles is because they have a lot of different bottles of beers.
Oh, that's like the traditional, like soy. It's like a traditional soy.
There's a nut in it too.
Yeah, peanuts. Peanuts in there. It's good tasting.
You need the sauce.
You need the sauce.
You need the sauce.
Well, I think the thing about the summer rolls is they're supposed to be light, you know. What kind of sauce do we think this is? So this is, whatever sauce this is, it's got carrots. Is that carrots in there? So that's probably like a vinegar, that's like a vinegary sauce. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do a summer roll. So that's like a sweet sauce right here. So we had two kinds of bao buns, right? So we've got the pork belly, I think that's pork belly one. And then I think that's the beef brisket ones. That pork is so tender. It's succulent. It's delicious. And the bun is so light and fluffy. It's really, really, really good. And so in here, there's the pork belly, but then there's also a little bit of, what is that, lettuce or cabbage? It's got a jalapeno in there, so I can taste that. It's a little heat.
A piece, and then wrap it in the lettuce with some cucumber, mint, and basil. Wrap it up and dip it in the fish sauce.
Okay, great, thank you. So this is the banseo, I think that's how you say it. Leave it to the chef to have to, you know, cut up the salad.
Like I can taste the cucumbers, and I can taste the vegetables more than the shrimp. You know what I mean?
All right, well,
now I taste the fish.
All right, so I'm excited to taste the grilled shrimp skewers. So I'm gonna take one here. That looks good. spicy. So look at this banh mi. So this is good. The meat is very tender, but I don't feel like this is as flavorful as the last one we had. Yeah, because the last one was very sweet, like it had some kind of paste on the bun. The bun is very soggy. See, it's just so soggy.
I mean, that first one was almost like a cheesesteak.
And it had carrots in it, remember? And it was just kind of sweet.
So this is
This
just,
one is just,
looks like peppers, cucumbers, bean sprout.
yeah. Oh my God, I'm stuffed. We can eat more. Wing time. Happy Super Bowl. I can't think of a wing. I can't think about a wing. I can't think about any kind of food. We had so much Vietnamese food. We had banh mi. We had bao buns. We had imperial roll. We had summer rolls. We had, what else did we have?
Salad.
Papaya salad. Yeah, papaya is green. Absolutely, papaya's green. Papaya is green.
Didn't look like
Chef.
that. Yeah. Papaya is orange.
Papaya is not orange, it's green. But anyway, we hope you enjoyed the video. We were happy to take you on our mission with us. Please, 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 if you want to see more, subscribe to our channel and hit the blue notification buttons, because then you'll be notified as soon as we upload another video. So thanks for joining, and until next time, bye.
See ya.
Happy Lunar New Year.
Yep. Banh Mi Bottles. Very good.